Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Blooming Morin, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how you can deposit Terra USD and Anchor protocol and earn up to 20% APY. So, if today is your first time of watching or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more video tutorials on crypto investing. In our last class, I showed you how to buy Terra USD on Binance and transfer it to your Terra Station wallet using the Ledger wallet. If you missed that class, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I'm also going to leave a link up here. So let's get started. How to deposit Terra USD and Anchor protocol using Ledger for you to earn up to 20% APY. Step 1. Go to station.terra.money. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Once you do that, this is going to bring you to the general dashboard. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to come here, click on connect. Now we're going to connect using our Ledger device. If you don't have a Ledger, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to get one. So next, click on access with Ledger. Once you do that, right on your Ledger device, enter your PIN code. So go ahead and do that. So once you enter your PIN, you're going to open the Terra app on your Ledger. If you don't have the Terra app on your Ledger yet, you can download this in your Ledger Live. If you don't know how to, I already did a video on how you can install Terra app on your Ledger device. I'm going to leave the link to this in the description below. So go ahead and open the Terra app. Once you open it, then double click on the two buttons on the Ledger device to open it. Once you do that, it's going to say Terra Ready. Once your Ledger device says Terra Ready, then you can click on Connect. So once you connect, this is now going to bring you to your own personal Terra Station wallet. You can see here that I have about 55 USD. Step 2, go to anchorprotocol.com. I'm going to leave this link in the description below. Next, you're going to click on Dashboard. Once you click on Dashboard, then you're going to click here, Connect Wallet. So this is where you're now going to install the Terra Station wallet. So just click on Install Terra Station. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you're going to add this extension. So this is an extension that you're going to download on your computer. Okay, so just click on Add to Chrome. Click here, Add Extension. You can see right here it's already adding a Terra Station has been added to Chrome. So now that we've added the Terra Station wallet extension to Google Chrome, for you to make it visible here, you can just click on this gray icon, click on it. Now it's going to show you this Terra Station wallet. Just click on this pin. Once you do that, you can definitely see it up here. It's very visible, right? Now you're going to click on this extension. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring this page out. Click on Access with Ledger. So right here it says plug in a Ledger device. So if you haven't done that yet, just make sure that your Ledger device has been plugged in. The PIN code is already there. You have opened the Terra app, and also it says Terra Ready. Once it says Terra Ready, just click on Connect. So right here, it's showing me my Terra Station wallet. Just click on Connect to Application. Just click on Connect. So once you refresh the Anchor protocol, it should connect. It should show your own Terra wallet address, and it should show the balance of the Terra USD that you have right here. So right here you can see that I have the Terra USD, that's USD 54.5, which is the same amount that I have on Anchor. So the next thing that we're going to do, obviously, if this is the first time you're doing this, the total deposit is going to be 0. So once it shows this balance, next thing you're going to do is to click on deposit. Now you can enter the amount of Terra USD that you want to deposit. Usually it is recommended that you don't use all your coin or all your Terra USD, just leave some portion. So I have about 54, so I'm going to use 50. I'm just going to enter the amount here, 50. So, and it's going to cost me 0.25 USD, which is the same thing as about 25 cents. Okay, so once you enter this, you can either use this bar here, or you can just enter the amount here. So again, I'm just going to enter 50 and make sure that you don't use all the USD in your account. So just to cover for fees. Okay, so again, I'm just going to click on proceed. Once I click on proceed, it's going to bring this page. Just click on post. Now I need to confirm this in my Ledger wallet. So right on Ledger, it says view transaction. So you're going to click the right arrow. So click on it on your Ledger device. Now it says type execute contract. That's right on your Ledger. So click on the right arrow again. It shows you the amount of coin. So right here I can see amount 50. So just click on the right button again. It says contract, which is the Terra station wallet address. Click the right button again. It says execute message, that's deposit, meaning that you're depositing this USD in your Anchor protocol wallet. So go ahead and click the right button again. It shows the sender's address. It shows the fee as 25 USD. I click the right button again. Then it says sign transaction. So right where it says sign transaction on your Ledger device, just make sure that you click the two buttons at the same time for you to authenticate this transaction, meaning that for you to approve this transaction. So on your Ledger device, again, it says sign transaction. So double click on the two buttons on your Ledger device. So go ahead and do that. Now it says Terra ready on my Ledger device. So we have this on the screen waiting for Terra station. So we're just going to wait a little bit. Now it says complete, right? It says complete. Just click on OK. So right here, it shows that I've successfully deposited the 50 USD from my Terra station wallet. So once you do that, you can see right at the bottom here, this is how much you're going to earn in a year. If you click under a month, this is how much you're going to earn. In a week, this is how much you're going to earn. Daily, this is how much you're going to earn. So it's very, very, very easy to just follow. It's very easy to understand. Again, the more USD that you deposit, the more the expected return on this. So this is just telling us that for the 51 USD that I deposited, I'm expected to earn about 10 USD in a year. So right here on my Terra station wallet, you can see that the USD that I have has already gone down to 4.2, meaning that I have successfully deposited 50 USD into my Anchor protocol wallet, and you can see it here. You can see the expected returns on this. As I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's class. If you have any question whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I read all your comment and I'll be happy to answer them. And if you found any value whatsoever in today's class, make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. And until then, I'll see you in the next class. I'm blooming tomorrow. Bye bye.